Hi, sir.
Hi,
Hi. What do you want to buy, sir?
I don't know. What are you gonna buy?
Nothing.
Oh yeah, I forgot. We are able guys. What will you buy in the supermarket?
Excuse someone?
The man in the cashier
Sure.
and the food court.
Hey, there's the girl in the food court. That's my ex-girlfriend. Hi, Gerald. Oh, hi, Emma. Oh, there's the one of my ex-boyfriend. I hate him so much. So, I want to go. Did you hear that?
No.
I hate her so much.
So, let's kill the cashier man.
Yeah, and my ex-girlfriend.
Hey you, what?
Oh, sir, what?
Give me the money.
What?
I said give me the money. You heard me. I said give me the money.
Uh,
Okay,
okay, sir. Okay.
Here we
Okay.
go.
Here's the money.
I gave you the full package of it. Thank you. And I will kill you now. I will kill you now. 1, 2, 3. Haha, it's fun.
Nandito daw sa
Huh? What was that? I'm gonna go to the food court now and help me kill my best friend's ex-girlfriend.
I'll kill both of you.
1, 2, 3, go! Haha, that was fun.
And I'll kill you too. 1, 2, 3.
Go! Wow, double head. Let's cover and run to the table. Let's fire. Ayan.